That said, if you haven't watched that video yet, go ahead and go watch that. But today we're going to video the orange W900 that was sitting right next to it.
This, we believe it's a 1974. There's some paperwork in the glove box. This doesn't make that sound right, but I believe the title says 74 or 73. We've been told several different things. This truck has a different emblem on the grill than the 79. It doesn't have any kind of red insert at all, but it looks like there's some faded gold in around places, so I don't know if that was actually possibly, I don't know what year was the anniversary. I know that somewhere in there's an anniversary, 50th anniversary, close to that year. This is just a little 350 Cummins. It's got a 13 speed. It does have the aluminum frame. Neither one of these trucks have front brakes. Didn't come out with front brakes, or it was an option, I suppose. This little truck has what they call it's got a little wig-wag, some people call it. It's a little stop sign that drops down out of the above the sun visor, by the sun visor, and it drops down so you're running out of air and you're soon going to stop, I guess. But we'll start it up here and you'll see after it builds air that goes back up. And then kind of a neat little truck. It's got dual stacks. I've never had one before with dual air breathers that are oil bath. These are oil bath air cleaners. The speedometer is kind of different too. I've never had one of these, I guess. But the speedometer picks up off this right front wheel. This is the speedometer gear head right here. These two gears mesh together, and as that turns, it reads the speed of this tire and sends that through the cable right to the speedometer. It's kind of different, but we'll fire it up and it sure runs good. It's the oil's fairly clean. It's right on full. I bought this truck. It was a guy put it up for sale, and he'd went to California, and he went to an auction out there and bought a trailer and this truck, and he brought them both back. And he lived around Wichita, and he wanted to sell it, and we got together on a price, and I bought it. And it's got a kind of a unique rear suspension. It's called a torsion arm suspension. There's no springs, there's no airbags. It's just this big torsion bar. This torsion bar runs through here, comes clear to the back, and I suppose this is adjustable where you can turn this and change the torsion, the stress on that torsion arm to make the truck haul a heavier load or something. And the paperwork in the glove box says the truck belonged to a logging company in California, and it was a shuttle truck. So I really don't know what it did all its life. And if you guys know something about these, I'm not sure what this is. This here is some kind of a sensor. It goes into these big steel bars here under this fifth wheel, and I'm wondering if it doesn't know something about the weight that's on it. I don't know, never seen one like that before, but she's a little rough on the edges, but really the hood's never been broke. There's no cracks in the hood or the fenders. The up around the headlights, none of that fiberglass is broke out. This truck used to be a 24 volt system, and the guy I bought it from, he switched it to 12 volt. So And the starter, he gave me the starter for the 24 volt system, and it's a lot bigger. It's a pretty massive starter, but this thing should fire off. These 2 batteries should be enough to.
The old batteries weren't gonna cut it, so we had to go get a couple of good ones from the shop. We should be able to start it for you guys, but we can't drive it with these tires.
And the axle seals.
And the axle seals are leaking pretty bad, but yeah. They are no good at all. Ready? Hey, welcome back to the channel. We just couldn't believe the results we got from the KTA W900 that we posted a couple weeks ago. It was crazy for us. So just wanted to say thanks to everyone that watched it, and even the people that subscribed to us. We really appreciate it. And we just really enjoyed reading the comments on all the guys that have driven one of these trucks before and just had a story to tell about it. So we enjoyed reading all those comments.